Alright tech fans, today it's the showdown you've been waiting for. iPhone 16 Pro Max versus Galaxy S24 Ultra. Let's dive right in and see which flagship phone reigns supreme. First up, design and size. The iPhone 16 Pro Max rocks a premium look with its surgical-grade stainless steel frame and frosted glass back. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S24 Ultra goes for an armor aluminum frame with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. Both are hefty and large, but the S24 Ultra is slightly bigger and heavier. The iPhone's got its signature flat edges, while the S24 Ultra's got those slick curved edges. Ultimately, it's about what feels better in your hand and what you find visually appealing. Now, onto performance and software. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is powered by Apple's A16 Bionic chip, while the S24 Ultra comes equipped with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or Samsung's Exynos 2400 in select markets. Both are powerhouses, handling demanding tasks without breaking a sweat. On the software side, iPhone's on iOS 17, known for its simplicity and app optimization. The S24 Ultra runs Android 14, with Samsung's One UI 5.1, offering more flexibility and customization. Your choice here boils down to personal preference and which ecosystem you're already invested in. Let's talk cameras. The iPhone 16 Pro Max sports a triple camera setup, featuring a 48MP main, 12MP ultra-wide, and 12MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. The S24 Ultra, on the other hand, boasts a quad camera system, a whopping 200MP main, 12MP ultra-wide, 50MP telephoto with 3x optical zoom, and a 10MP periscope telephoto with 10x optical zoom. The iPhone is renowned for its natural image processing and accurate colors, while the S24 Ultra impresses with high-resolution sensors and versatile zoom capabilities. For video, the iPhone offers cinematic mode and Dolby Vision HDR, whereas the S24 Ultra provides 8K video recording at 30 FPS and improved low-light performance. So, which one is better? It all comes down to what you value more. If you prefer natural-looking images and straightforward user experience, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is your go-to. But if high-resolution, advanced zoom, and more customization options are your thing, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is hard to beat. In the end, both phones are stellar choices and pack a punch in their own ways. It's a tough call, but whichever you choose, you're getting one of the best smartphones on the market. That's it for today's showdown. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Which one would you pick? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech comparisons. Catch you in the next one.